पैसेज ट्रांसफर कैटालाइसिस एंड अल्ट्रासाउंड phase transfer catalysis and ultrasound in nuclear substitution. The substrate is slightly insoluble in water and other polar solvents, whereas the nucleophilus which is obtained negatively charged the soluble in water but not in the substrate or other organic solvents. However, when the reaction is carried out but how the concentration of the two reactants in the same passage is too low for critical reaction rates. In polar electrolytic solvents like DMSO can overcome this defectively. In other words, obtain a state to solve this problem in phase transfer catalysis. In phase transfer catalysis, a catalyst is said to carry the nucleophile from the aqueous into the organic phase 4. Example is simply handling and selling a two bases mixture of first one chlorooctane and aqueous NaCl for several days gets no well of the substitution product I cyanooctane when is small amount of peroxide quaternary salt is added to the above reaction mixture. The products is formatting almost 100% reactivity in about 2 hours. Phase transfer catalysis are mainly of two types, both of which drag the nucleophile into the organic phase and allow it to be free to react with. Both of which drag the nucleophile into the organic. The substrate first quaternary ammonium or phosphonium cells in the above example. The uncatalyzed reaction does not take place because ions cannot cross the interface weaken. The two phases except in very low concentration. The reactions is that nitrogen ions are strongly solvated in water and do not prepare organic phases where such a strong solution is not possible. They do not cross. The Cl ions cannot cross without nitrogen ions because that would destroy the electrical naturality of each passage unlike nitrogen ions, quaternary ammonium. बेसिक यहाँ देखा जाए मतलब R4N R and phosphonium R4P और ions with sufficiently R groups are totally so heated in water and prepare organic solvents. One additional of a small amount of such a cell to the reaction mixture. The following three equilibria are set up. मतलब यहाँ नाइट्रोजन के हाथ में मतलब प्लस इधर आता है Cl मतलब इधर माइनस आता है. जैसे कि मतलब नाइट्रोजन के मतलब बगल में मतलब प्लस ही रहता है, Cl मतलब माइनस ही रहता है. Here no reaction takes place because the nucleophiles Cl मतलब यहाँ माइनस ही रहेगा. cannot another organic phase to react with the Rh phase transfer catalysis of the Israel reaction between sodium cyanide and ethyl leadide. The Q ions cross the interface and carry Cn ions with them into the organic gases. Equilibrium 3, where they create with Cn to give argon and X naught 0. The X naught 0 is then graded into the liquid phases equilibrium. First one QCl is generated in the liquid phase equilibrium by exchange of ions. Ground ethers and other cryptanates. Ground ethers are like green, where ethers macrocytic system containing one or more than one kind of heteroatom and recycling. Ground ethers have also been prepared with cycles of higher order and cryptanates and the complex formed by them are called cryptanates. Sometimes monocyclics are also called cryptanates. The rates of nucleophile substitution are mainly increased in the presence of suitable ground ethers of other cryptanates. The ground ether 80 ground shift coordinates very quickly with K, such like Caesium and COK, which are insoluble in non-polar solvents like benzene. This solvent in the presence of 80 ground shifts, so in the very basis relatively insoluble. 3 ions are present. Step 2. Bring about nucleophile substitution. For example, Kf is dissolved in benzene and is Kb2 organic aldehyde brings about an efficient nucleophile substitution in the presence of 80 ground shifts, i.e. fluid to attack in this process. Not only nucleophile substitution but also any reaction that leads an insoluble iron dissolved solvent in an organic solvent can be accelerated by an appropriate pressure transfer catalyzed ultrasound. Ultrasound is another technique to increase the reaction rates by an appropriate pressure transfer catalyzed ultrasound is another technique to increase the reaction rates. Frequency of 20 K is about the upper limit of human brain in the ultrasound technique. The reaction mixture is subjected to the high energy sound waves, most often 20 K above, but sometimes higher. This result in the formation of small bubbles, cavitation, collages of these bubbles products powerful shock waves that greatly increases the temperatures and pressures within this resulting in an increased reaction rate. Ultrasound technique is because it may increase its मतलब K प्लस, इसके मतलब चारों तरफ ऑक्सीजन बैठा होता है, जैसे कि मतलब फ्री वाटर मतलब F की घात माइनस से लगा रहता है, जैसे कि यहाँ सूत्र है मतलब PaCl2Cl प्लस K प्लस F माइनस 80 ग्राउंड 6 इलेक्ट्रोनाइट्राइल PL मतलब PCl